Snoring disrupts your breathing rhythms, creating anaerobic conditions and lead to chronic diseases. While sleeping, your throat muscles relax and collapse, restricting airflow. This causes vibrations, which we hear as snoring. Snore Circle is a revolutionary solution to this problem. Using bone conduction and sound recognition technology, Snore Circle can accurately detect snoring and automatically determine the most effective combination of micro sounds and micro vibrations necessary to stimulate the vagus nerve to contract your throat muscles and open up your throat for more proper airflow. Now you can continue with smooth, rhythmic breathing and fully oxygenate your body's cells for a healthy night's rest. But most importantly, a quiet and healthier night's sleep for your partner.